a ground. School. So again, small conflicts. Manyalo bedo resolved.
Okay.
Yes.
Gidaka chiel kende ka kuro watigo. In gineno tango manyaka timre. Daka chiel kende wasawa kuro mawa.
One, kaka we know we need to improve relationships between ordinary citizens, police, and all the stakeholders.
Okay.
Modak in a community. But again, the back again stops Kodu, the police service. The leadership and the individual police, they should do things that give honor to the service, to the office, and also kagitumo gikmabeyo to manobende inspire confidence.
Okay.
So it is a two-way traffic. And also more importantly, angamomiyo ngeny police ma otimo mahundu pok oter inyimdoho ama pok oter inyimdoho ama pokomaki. There's an issue in terms of the law. Nwach sani mondo police kataka ipose noni. Aipo kenyal maki. Again, the arresting must come from the IG. So that legal challenge, when the MPs make needs to look into mondo witu ma legal review.
Okay.
And lastly, and when the leadership of police behaves in a manner mokolo check, like the former IG or Kudwadi court, then mano bende koro miyo even the junior officers bende watoni gatelo notimo gemanegitimonge.
Okay.
So I strongly believe Jopeni will do their part. We will pay taxes, we will engage in community engagements, we will try mondo wines walos kot jogwa mondo wa shrink pool mega criminality. But Jokumanyaka inspired the confidence and that engagement is the service itself.
Daga chiel wach mogik.